channel. Let me introduce myself a little bit. I am Miranda Phan and I'm from Vietnam. I just moved to Romania recently and I am a makeup artist. So today's video is gonna be a makeup tutorial for a special event. It's like prom, birthday makeup, evening makeup, or even wedding makeup. If you guys want to see how I do this look, please keep watching. Because it's a big event and you want to have like a beautiful skin, make sure you drink enough water, okay? Now I apply the moisturizer on my face. The Bobbie brow is my favorite one. It's really hydrating gel cream. For the skin, not breakout. Moving next, I apply some highlighter on my highlight area. It's from Marc Jacobs. Okay. So only one palm small like this is enough for your face. Okay, like this on my top of my cheek. This step is quite important because it helps you to catch the flash when you take a photo or in the night when the light hit your face. I really like it. Bit on your forehead, above of your eyebrow. Bridge the nose too. Yeah. Copy. You see that a little bit? Oh. I'm sorry to say because my skin is not oily, so I don't use a primer. But if you guys have oily skin, don't forget that step, okay? I put on my shoulder as well. Okay, foundation. So today I'm going to be use MakeupForever Matte Velvet. This one is quite like full coverage because you want to look flawless, stay matte all day. So you have to choose like a little bit full coverage foundation, and then I put this one on my mixing palette. I just break 2 pimples yesterday. This one not really full coverage. I mean like not really like cakey or really thick foundation. The texture is really nice, creamy and easy to blend. And from the rest you can apply on your eyelid too. Oh, I think the light make my face look lighter than my body, but in real it's look the same color. So use the brush to pack. It's on like this. I'll use the Tarte concealer, this one, in the shade Light Sand. Ooh. I will apply under my eyes. I draw like a triangle, like this, straight to the nose too. Because I have a problem with the dark circle. Even how much I sleep, I still only have a dark circle. A little bit on my forehead, my nose have to be straight, okay? Big, and my cheek. This concealer is really good. It can cover everything. Don't freak out because it looks like quite light. After you do the contour, it will be balanced, everything mixed together, blend together. Remember, you have to blend more, like blend it well, okay? The more you blend, the more everything mixed together. Okay, so let's start the contour. The contour usually they start from your ear straight to your mouth, like this, like a line like this. Okay, that's done. Have to be straight. your like your forehead, because I have really large forehead, so I want to contour it to make it lower, shorter. Your temple too, and don't forget the jawline, the pudding. I think the guy eat too much pancake these days, so I have like these jawlines get bigger, more choppy. I love pancake, and I'm so confident that I can make really good pancake. Put here. I use this brush. Actually, it's from Naked 2 palette. See, you see the synthetic one. You see the natural hair one. So I use the synthetic one to roll it on my nose. So I want to have a smaller nose, so I will bring two light closer. And then a little bit on my lower lips to make like a shadow later, to make the lip look bigger. Do I have smaller nose here? Usually, like, I don't blend like this to all over the contour, mixing around. I just like blend it up like this to keep the light is clean. Baby, look skinny again. And today for the blush, I use this cream blush from Clarins. I do like this. It's really creamy. It's really nice. Like, just tap it in. Pop, 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 pop. And then, guess what we do? Baking RCMA translucent powder with this triangle sponge. And how I do it, I just like this, press it a little bit back under my eyes. This. And this one's special for after later when I do the eyeshadow on my eyes, when the powders drop, like fell down on my cheek, so I can blend it out with my brush so it doesn't stick to my foundation. This powder again, RCMA, to set my eyelid up. Okay, set it up. For the eyeshadow palette today, I will use a Juvia's one. It's named Saharan. This one, look at the color, so beautiful. Oh. Okay, for the color, first I will use this orange cheese one, Chamila. Tap it out. This. And all over it. Moving next, I will use this color named Kasha. Doing the same step on my eyelids too. This smaller brush from Real Technique, I think. Yeah, for sure this one. And use the color Fuller on my crease. Separate color like this. Let me blend a little bit on my crease too. Moving next color, I will use the color Bordeaux. This one. Outside corner of my eyes. This on my crease. Next, I will use a smaller brush and the blending one, this one, and we'll use this color named Kia. Okay. And blend it in my eyelid too. Like this crease. For next, I will use the black one from this palette also to apply here a little bit to have a more dimension and look more dramatic. because like you cannot see the pink anymore, I think. So I will keep using the same brush one and spray a little bit water to pack back the pink. So okay, I will mix these two colors together like this and pack back. Bring the pink back. Moving next, I will use another synthetic brush to spray with water too, to do like a half simple cut crease, and use the color I meant. Below eyelashes, I will use this color, this one and a little bit black, and mix them together. Okay. Then you just need to use the brush to wash, to wax out the eyeshadow. You see? So clean, you don't even touch up again. For the eyeliner, today I will do like how to say, a little bit long and big, because I want long and big. Because I want to have more attention. I just want attention. It's okay with that look? I don't have many eyelashes. Don't laugh at me. Let's have a look. But you know what? I think it's not enough drama and outstanding for what I want. So keep moving. I will do some shimmering on my eyelids. Use the Open Decay Glam Rock. A little bit like glitter, shimmery one. Done. Eyelashes time, so I will go to put my eyelashes on and then I come back. Ta-da! I'm back. You see how different with down eyelashes and with eyelashes. Okay, for next, give some golden bronzy to the face. I will use the E.L.F one, E.L.F one, to do for the contour and brush. The contour, forehead. Now I use like the same brush like before, this one, and to do like a contour again. This color. Mine. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the MAC one. It's named Soft and Gentle. Of course, just soft and gentle. I'm using the Morphe M501 and spray a little bit of wet, just a little bit, okay? Don't make it too wet. And oh my baby. Don't put it too much, okay? Don't put it too much. Here on the bridge of my nose, tip the nose, and we're moving to the next one is lips, the final one. Use the Kylie one's name Candy K. Yeah, Candy K. A lip liner. I really love this color because they're long lasting. Now, lipstick. How's it? Let's check. One more thing. Don't forget to put on your shoulder to catch the fly, to catch attention, like you take a shower, from the glitter. So we are done now. I hope you guys will enjoy it. And today is my first day of doing video. I'm a little bit nervous and English is not my first language. But I promise I will try my best to do better day by day. Please support me by subscribe my channel, share and like this video. And you guys can follow me from Instagram and Facebook. I will link below for you guys. See you guys soon.